People needs to learn how to mind their own fucking business. Because my best friend, let's call her Pepsi, currently hates me. Cause a classmate, let's call her Shoujo, told Pepsi I talk shit about her with another friend. Let's be for real, I don't ever talk shit about anyone, until if they really piss me off. For example, bossing me to unfriend another friend, or making everything about themselves. Narcissists pisses me off so much, so if you talk bad about me, I won't do the same. And Pepsi should 100% know that about me. But Pepsi, Shoujo. And now she's acting all depressed, and even fakes being suicidal. This Friday, I was talking to a friend, let's call her Yellow. Pepsi wanted to talk about me to Yellow, but since I was with Yellow, Pepsi got mad and screamed at me. I pulled middle finger, and Pepsi tried to hit me, but a teacher was there. Then Pepsi unfriended me on Roblox, and check what she said. I'm getting a huge headache from this drama. Dude 1, out.